Thoroughly clean the inside of the car window to remove any dirt, dust or debris. Ensure the window is completely dry before proceeding. Measure the dimensions of the window and cut the film to size, leaving an extra centimeter or two on each side for adjustments. Use a utility knife to cut the film. Fill a spray bottle with water and add a few drops of dish soap. Shake the bottle gently to mix the solution. Carefully peel off the plastic liner from the window film and spray the now exposed adhesive surface thoroughly with wetting solution. Liberally spray the entire window with the application solution. This will help the film adhere to the glass and prevent it from sticking permanently. Place the adhesive side of the film onto the wet glass, starting from the top, smoothing out wrinkles and air bubbles as you work downwards. Use a small squeegee or credit card to smooth out the film, starting from the center and working your way out to the edges. This will help remove any remaining air bubbles and ensure proper adhesion. After applying the film smoothly, trim any excess film from the window edges using a utility knife. Avoid rolling down the windows or disturbing the film for at least 24 to 48 hours to allow it to fully cure and adhere to the glass.